Today is gonna be a very interesting stream. As some of us artists use the hand I have, but we would not previously be able to like customize it openly. So the artist behind the vHand app, they told we can like customize it, but didn't like openly showed how. But now they posted both on Twitter how to, and that they are taking commissions to like help you customize the hand that I'm using. So as an artist, obviously, I can do it myself. Like match my, like you see, the jacket be more puffy, the pen to be more fluffy, and we will like do lots of funny stuff. But to like edit or like modify apps and games, you guys probably use various stuff. But with this, it acts kind of like VTube Studio in a sense. If you guys ever used pre-made models or like, you know, customized textures in games to change the model from one to another, this is basically the same thing. We'll be like drawing over those existing textures, but we need to keep in mind because the hand is like rigged. So this is like the shown version, but how to get those files? The creator Coldy, they showed you can like access the folder of the files directly from Steam, or when you right click on the app, obviously. You need the local files. Let me open it, so I will like walk you guys through. So you guys click like local files. It's basically very easy. You access the vHand data in the folder, then it's literally just streaming assets and the texture mesh guide. The one what I have shown on my Clip Studio is the copy of the texture mesh guide. Let me zoom in for you guys in Clip Studio. So that's how like the file looks. It's just a guide. We'll not be editing over this one. We'll be editing over the proper texture file, but you guys need this to like just to see how like rigged the area is, how much. If you guys want to edit it, you need to keep in mind if you go over the lines, it will like cut it off. It will not be included into the texture itself. So that's why I like downloaded both of those and copied and downloaded on separate folder, which I just made on my pulpit or desktop, sorry, it's in English. So yeah, I just pulled out of the mod folder and copied onto one of my folders. I'm not like the pro in like modding stuff or editing, but this is like basically so easy. So what I did was like, I opened the existing PNGs of the texture and saved it as a Clip Studio file, just to like not constantly having to save or like flatten all of those layers. So I can like save over it carefully. So I really recommend just copy all of the existing texture mesh guides and the files, which is just in the mods, and it should work basically. And I also want to edit just the pen to make it pink and sparkly and like add some like cute stickers on top. Probably the easiest will be just the pen. You see mine on my PNG is like fluff. Okay, so I don't have too much area, so I need to literally draw over it. I draw what I wanted, which is the little head. It's the face and the pen. I want it to be cutesy, just in case I feel like switching the pens. I can also use the magical girl because it's already perfect. And I'm so happy to show you guys the hand! How like it looks. It was also so freaking easy. Like you just need to swap the files in the mod folder that they provided you like with the base like as shown, and just swept it around. The creator itself literally said that to look into the mod folder, and not only they did like a written guide, they said do not edit this, but edit that, like the mod file, and it will overwrite the stuff because they literally coded it. It works like that. I think the pen also looks very cutesy. I'm happy.